welcome back to our channel Sri Siblings. Here it's Srivali. So firstly let's go deep into the water world and peep into some rarely found water animals. The sea, infinite and enigmatic, is full of mysteries. Most of these mysteries have not yet been discovered. In the depth of the oceans, there is not only darkness and ancient hulled ships, but there is also life. There are hundreds of creatures that live below the ocean surface, some spectacular and colorful. Others, however, are endowed with strange characteristics and are physically particular. Some of the rarely found water animals are clown frogfish, the black swallower, tardigraders, shiphonophone, frilled shark, pink see-through fantasia, Christmas tree worm, Maurus orthocano, Dumbo octopus, Australian ghost shark. If we keep telling, there will be many of them. First, today let us talk about clown frogfish. The clown frogfish are also known as Varti frogfish, a marine fish belonging to family Antheridae. The Varti frogfish grows up to 15 centimeters long. The members of its family, like other members of its family, it has globule extensible body and its soft skin are covered with small dermal spinules. The skin is covered with numerous small worth-like protuberances. Its large prognathous mouth allows it to consume prey its same size. The coloring of its body is extremely variable because it tends to match its environment. Frogfishes can change coloration and pigment pattern in a few weeks. During chloral bleaching events, they can even turn to to plain white to blend it with the environment. However, the dominant coloration goes from white to black, passing through a whole range of related nuances such as cream, pink, yellow, red, and brown. After often with dark circular spots and with saddles. Some heavily spotted specimens can easily be confused with its close relative Antheridates pictures. This characteristic can help them to separate them usually. Malachitus has red or orange margins on all fins and sometimes a spike of saddle blotch starts posterior to the eye. The the first dorsal spine, the ilium, is modified and is used as a fishing rod. Its extremity is endowed with a characteristic esca, which looks like a small fish with a pinkish to brownish coloration. The ilium is twice the length of second dorsal spine and is often darkly handed. The second dorsal spine is practically straight and is mobile. And the third one is bent towards the back of the body. Both are membranely attached to the head. They are well separated from each other and also from the dorsal fin. The Varti frogfish lives in the tropical water of the Indo-Pacific area from Mauritius and Reunion Island of the Pacific Ocean. It is found in sheltered rocky and coral reefs. Adults are usually associated with sponges down to 20 meters, 66 feet deep. As all frogfishes, Hesidius is voracious carnivore which can attack all small animals that pass within a strike range, mainly fishes. Its prey can vary in size to close to its size. Like other members of their family, they have a benthic and solitary lifestyle. They gather during the mating period but do not tolerate each other anymore. After the action of fertilization, the female can kill or eat the male if he stays close. The pectoral fins are angled and help with the pelvic fins to move the faced on the bottom to keep a stable position for an ambush. The watery frogfish exhibits biofluorescence, that is, when illuminated by blue or ultraviolet light, it re-emits it as red and appears differently from the under white light illumination. Biofluorescence may assist in intranspecies communication and camouflage.